Yo, YouTube, what it do? You know we in here today. It's built by Chevy, man. We in the garage. Well, I'm not about to be in the garage. We about to take a ride, you know what I'm saying? We about to take a ride. We about to go see the my embroidery guy. We about to go to the embroidery shop, go holler at my embroidery guy, because we got more colors on the way, you know what I'm saying? I told y'all we got more colors. I'm surprised the rest of the hats didn't get here yet, because I got even more colors. So I'm about to just take the ones that I got right now, these neon green, this like baby blue, and these reds. I'm about to take those and drop those off today. They should be ready in a couple days. So if you want to pre-order, you can go ahead and pre-order. You know, the hats are $35 a piece. That includes shipping. If you want to pre-order, hit my email, my business email, chevybell023@gmail.com. You know what I'm saying? So we about to take a ride. I'm going to record the ride over there. It's going to be on time lapse, so it's going to go by fast. But we're going to hit the highway and all that. We got to jump on 495 and go to 50, and then we're going to Northeast. So yeah, take a ride with me. We about to go to the embroidery shop. I'll be right back. you moved it back over there.
Yeah, that's why I'm going here.
Bang. I just shook my head. I ain't respond. I just shook my head. I said, you know what? That's an amazing little story. Metney.
Oh, no. How much is it over there?
$15 a box. But when they don't have the box, they sell you this, and you get 4 boxes in here for 60. Wait, my sister said 65.
All right. That's gonna be it for today. My ears are ringing. Yeah, my ears ringing real bad. You know what I'm saying? My left ear ringing real bad. But that's gonna be it for today. You see, we got a good ride in today. We went to the in my man embroidery shop. Dropped some more hats off. So like I said, man, pre-orders are available, $35. Send me a email, shoot me an email to my business email account, chevybell023@gmail.com. Like I said, you see we got a good little ride in today. Me and Mama Chevy went to the shooting range, my man outdoor shooting range, so it was a good day, you know what I'm saying? Mama Chevy out there be showing y'all she don't be playing no games, man. You come over there, she gonna bow, she gonna hit you with that thing, man. Yeah, man, but that's gonna be it for today, man. Like I said, tomorrow we going back to auction. Let's see if we can make something happen at auction tomorrow. But until then, man, that's gonna be it for today. Like I said, man, if y'all new, if you just now tuning in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, write a comment, hit that like button. Let me know what y'all think, man. Like I said, we got a lot in store for y'all. Hopefully tomorrow goes good. We'll win a bike. Raffle number 3 is on the way. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, write a comment, let me know what y'all think, man. Until later or tomorrow, man. Like I said, we one big happy family over here, you know what I'm saying, built by Chevy. So yeah, man, I'll catch y'all later or tomorrow, man. It's always love, you know what I'm saying? Much love to all the supporters, man. Y'all keep doing what y'all doing. Have a blessed evening, and I'll catch y'all later, man. Built by Chevy, baby.